right, the first set countertops is here. Nice. Make sure you stay on the stone.
Oh, yeah, I'm on stone.
All right.
I'm good. Alright, so basically he'll pull that out, do all the plumbing, slide it back in, and then shoot them 2 screws that's in here, just shoot them through your tabs. And he'll know exactly what that is as soon as he sees it. Yeah, any plumb rest, it's just the stone going across it, and you'll still be able to pull this out, but it's not attached to the stone, it's attached to this bracket in your cabinets. So yeah, you'll just be able to pull it straight out, do the plumbing, slide it back in, shoot her in.
Sounds good.
Good.
Yeah, I was just looking for a sink myself.
I'll put it in there.
Oh, okay.
That works.
Suck it together?
Yeah, it will actually level it out and then pull it together.
Okay.
Yeah, then it'll spread it apart so I can get the adhesive in the middle of it and then pull it back together and level it out. Yeah.
Smells kind of good, I guess, huh?
Get so used to it, man, I don't even know I'm amongst it unless somebody mentions it.
Wow, that takes quite a while, huh? That process there?
Yeah, I'd say about 15 more minutes.
Okay.
Be about a good wrap on it. Now we do ask you to wait 24 hours to plumb the sink because there's
Yeah.
a water barrier seal in there.
Yeah, we told him he was going to come today, and we're like, no, you got to wait at least a day.
Yeah, well, I'd recommend it.
So does that sink get like some glue under there or something?
Yeah,
Silicone?
it's got a water barrier seal all the way around it between your sink and your stone. And when that sets up, that sink's not going to come off. And he's going to put 4 braces, 2 on each side to help hold it for 24 hours.
Okay.
And then after that, it'll set up and it won't come off there.
Nice.
Yeah, it'll be good to go.
Beautiful. All right, so this is no fault of these guys, but the stainless sink holes ain't quite lined up right. That's because the sink lip is already touching the wall, so they got to drill through them holes. And it's going to be a little bit challenging, but it'll work just fine. On the seam, silicone also?
No,
Or something, glue or something?
Yeah, it's a nitro, and it's a two-part epoxy, and it heats up really hot whenever it starts setting up. Gets as hard as stone.
Okay,
And it levels that things out really good. Makes it
Nice.
almost invisible.
Nice.
That does a good job.
Almost all done.
Yeah, just about. I just felt that shift, and I don't. It's set up all through here. It's just that very back moved on me, and I didn't like it.
All right, here's the after look for the cabinet countertops. And in just a little bit, this one's coming. All right, we got the kitchen island countertop. Should look really good in contrast the other one. Oh, that's gonna look nice.
What do you do, hunt after outdoors?
Mostly equipment, like land management and stuff. You know, and stuff like this, we document the projects and stuff like that. So this island top, we're not going to have them mount it yet. Sharon's going to do some micro leveling since it's a oak barn beam island. You know, nothing is really that even. So she's going to wedge it out, get it evened out, and then go ahead and mount it with silicone the same way as they would do it. Got Casey the plumber in finishing up the plumbing. This baby's almost wrapped up. We're gonna stage, we got a fire pit and a couple chairs for the deck, which just imagine yourself sitting out there. Beautiful, beautiful view overlooking the woods and the pond. So the last thing to wrap up is the stone on this fireplace mantle.